So this is another condo unit here in Fort Victoria, BGC. So meron tayong bathroom dito sa baba. And loft type po siya. So yan ang view niya. Meron siyang konting view ng golf course dito sa baba. And then check natin yung taas. This is as is where is upon turnover and submission of offers first come first serve basis. So dito sa taas meron pang isang bathroom. And then dito pwede ko pa maglagay ng isang kwarto kasi may bintana. And then dito kaya pa dito hanggang 2 kwarto or it's up to you. And napakaganda rin ng view niya. Golf course din. Ayan o. Tapos may view ko rin ng BGC dito. And ang kagandahan sa condo na to, along 5th Avenue lang siya. Malapit siya sa BGC Central Park, BGC Greenway Linear Park, sa Oval Park, and sa Forbes Town Center. So very prime yung location niya dito sa BGC. And this is very ideal for passive income because marami pong nagpapa-Airbnb dito. Ito lang ang condo na tumatanggap ng Airbnb or short-term lease, daily, weekly, or monthly, if I'm not mistaken, here in BGC. Because the rest of the condos here in BGC, puro long-term lease. 6 months, 1 year, ganun. So again, if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. Ang ganda ng view, golf course. And below market value pa to. Discounted price nito nasa 137,000 per square meter or around 6.2 million.